Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set Tinder dating preferences. So just I will logged into my Tinder application and move in my profile icon which is right bottom corner. So after this just tap on the top right corner of gear icon. So you may scroll down to find dating preferences on these settings. So here you will see the option is show me. So from here you will just select it a woman or when and which you interested. So it may shows you the range of age, so you can set it which you want the age of user you want to see. So you can select it from here, age range, and select the gender of which you want to see on Tinder. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.